Fettuccine Alfredo, a dish synonymous with indulgence. Simplicity is key. This dish highlights fresh ingredients. We're talking about perfectly cooked pasta. It's coated in a rich, cheesy sauce. This is comfort food at its finest. Originating in Rome, this dish has captured hearts globally. Its creamy texture is irresistible. The sharp parmesan adds depth. It's a dish that's deceptively easy to make. You can achieve restaurant-quality results at home. The pasta is the foundation of this dish. Use high-quality fettuccine. Cook it al dente. That means firm to the bite. It adds a delightful texture. First, fill a large pot with water. Add a generous amount of salt. This seasons the pasta. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Add the fettuccine. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook according to the package directions. Taste the pasta before draining. Ensure it's cooked al dente. Drain the pasta immediately. Do not rinse it. We want to retain the starch. It helps the sauce adhere. The heart of this dish is the Alfredo sauce, rich and creamy. Many resort to store-bought jars for convenience, but making it from scratch is surprisingly easy. You control the flavor and quality. The result is a superior restaurant-quality dish. Start by melting high-quality butter in a saucepan. Always use unsalted butter. This allows you to control the saltiness precisely. Next, add heavy cream to the melted butter. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Stir constantly to prevent scorching and ensure a smooth texture. Now gradually whisk in freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Use freshly grated cheese for the best, most authentic flavor. Continue stirring until the cheese is fully melted and incorporated. The sauce should be smooth and velvety. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Section 4. Secrets to a luxurious velvety sauce. The key to a great Alfredo sauce is its texture. It should be smooth, it should be velvety. Achieving this perfect texture is an art that requires attention to detail and the right ingredients. A few tricks can elevate your sauce from ordinary to extraordinary. First, use high-fat content cream. This is crucial for the richness of the sauce. Heavy cream or whipping cream is ideal. These types of cream have the right fat content to create a luxurious texture. It creates a richer, creamier sauce that coats the pasta beautifully. Second, don't overcook the sauce. This is a common mistake. Overcooking will make it thick and unappealing. It will also make it grainy, ruining the smooth texture you aim for. Simmer it gently until the cheese melts completely and integrates with the cream. Third, the quality of Parmesan cheese matters. Use freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano for the best results. It has a superior flavor and texture compared to pre-grated cheese. It melts beautifully into the sauce, adding depth and richness. Lastly, temper the egg yolks. This step is essential to prevent curdling and ensure a smooth sauce. Add a spoonful of the hot cream to the yolks. Whisk continuously to combine. Then add the tempered yolks to the sauce. This will give your Alfredo sauce a silky, luxurious finish. Section 5. Achieving pasta perfection, tips and tricks. The marriage of pasta and sauce is crucial. The pasta should be coated evenly. It shouldn't be swimming in sauce. It shouldn't be dry. After draining the pasta, add it directly to the sauce. Toss it gently to coat. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little pasta water. The starchy water helps to loosen the sauce. It helps it cling to the pasta. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Add more salt and pepper if needed. The pasta will absorb some of the saltiness. You want the flavors to be balanced. Section 6. Avoiding common pitfalls. Your path to Alfredo mastery. Even seasoned cooks can make mistakes. It's easy to overlook small details that can make a big difference. Knowing common pitfalls ensures success. Awareness is the first step to mastery. It's about understanding the process. Each step has its own importance. It's about respecting the ingredients. Quality ingredients lead to a quality dish. One common mistake is overcooking the pasta. Timing is crucial. It should be al dente. Overcooked pasta becomes mushy and loses its texture. It doesn't hold the sauce well. The sauce should cling to the pasta. Another pitfall is using low-quality cheese. It won't melt smoothly and affects the overall taste. It can result in a grainy texture. Always opt for high-quality cheese. Using too much cream is another mistake. It dilutes the flavor and makes the sauce too thin. The sauce won't cling to the pasta. Balance is key. Finally, don't be afraid to season generously. Salt enhances the flavors and brings out the best in your dish. Under-seasoning leads to a bland dish. Taste as you go and adjust accordingly. Now go forth and conquer this classic. With these tips, you're well on your way. With practice and attention to detail, you'll be serving up restaurant-quality fettuccine Alfredo in your own kitchen. Enjoy the journey and happy cooking.